Hello, love. Welcome back to the Monetizing Mompreneurs podcast, the space where mompreneurs come to see what's possible. Today, we're diving into the number one mistake that's keeping so many women entrepreneurs from growing their email list. And here's the truth. Without a list, you don't have a foundation for real growth in your business.
Mompreneurs, it's not business, baby. It's business and babies. Whether you're rocking the carpool line, building your business during nap time, or dreaming big after bedtime, we've got the tools, tips, and strategies to help you grow your business. Grab a snack, your headphones, and enjoy this time with us, because mom life and boss life deserve balance.
Hey, before we jump in, I want to take a minute to pause and speak on something heavy that's been on all of our hearts. Charlie Kirk, who was known for his conservative Christian beliefs, was tragically shot and killed recently while speaking at an event. This hits beyond politics. It's not about left versus right. It's a wound in our humanity. When someone is targeted, when someone dies for having beliefs, that's more than political. That's a loss of compassion. To those who are grieving his death, I want you to know that you are seen. Let's hold on to the truth that love matters, life matters, and it's possible to disagree without dehumanizing. It's possible to stand firm in our faith while showing grace. I would like to ask for you all for prayer for everyone in our lives that this has touched, because I think this touches each and every single one of us. When someone is targeted for their beliefs, cheered for their death, when all they try to do was point people to Jesus. And as a believer, this hurts. And I know it hurts you too. So whether you agree with me or not, it's not about any of that. Really, what it's about is the call that God has in our life. And I just want to make it clear that Jesus Christ is my Lord and Savior. And I want you to know, in tough topics like this, if God moves me, I will speak on it. And God moved me to speak on this. So let's just take a minute to pray for his family and for our families. Because if we're bold in our beliefs and we can't even share them without being targeted, where is the humanity? If people cheer for each other's death when all you're trying to do is help others, where's the compassion? So let us continue to walk in love and in truth. I'm going to show you what that mistake is, how to fix it, and the exact next step you can take to start building a list that actually leads to sales and opportunities. Okay, let's dive in. What I believe is the biggest mistake is depending solely on social media as your main growth strategy. We talked about showing up in our last episode, but it's not just about showing up, it's about utilizing the right strategy, and growing your list will always be that right strategy. So the mistakes I've seen is like people posting daily, chasing algorithms, waiting for virality. It does not equal clients. Hello, did you hear that? Being viral does not equal clients. If your list isn't growing, your business isn't really growing. Because your email list suggests and brings in the people that are meant for you to serve. Visibility without a list is like building on sand. There's nothing solid underneath. So when I first started my business, I didn't really understand the power of a list or what that really meant. But as I grew and as I found that really it's about taking your customers through a journey and having your email list as kind of like the center of that journey, it really does matter in your sales. You'll see it there. It's something that you can actually use as a metric other than social media. It's something that you own, right? Like if your email list is yours, you're not going to be shadow banned, or you're not going to be chasing algorithms in order to get the right people to view your stuff. Your list goes to the people's eyes right away. And I don't know about you, I check my email every single day. How about you? Exactly. You can be scrolling on social media, but when that's someone that you admire, that you want to hear from, that's giving you actionable tips, is landing on your inbox, you're going to open it. And what they're selling may be something you want. You get what I'm saying? Because they've already nurtured you. So think about that within your own business. And when I started doing the bundles and the summits, baby, that's where I saw true growth. And here's the deal. It's not just about going viral, right? Or it's not even just about like getting anyone into your email list. It's really getting the right people that want your services and your offer in your email list. Your email list is an asset you own. Social media is rented space, as you have heard. I don't know if this is the first time you're hearing it, but it's not the first time I'm hearing it. But really, it's true. It's rented space. Your email list, you own it. It's your relationship. You can send an email whenever you want. You can actually see through click-through rates. The metrics are there. Think about it. If Instagram disappeared tomorrow, would you still be able to reach your audience? LinkedIn or Facebook. You get what I'm saying? Your list is where trust is built, offers are sold, and real growth happens. The solution? To grow your list, you need a system that works consistently. That means an intentional lead magnet, not just a freebie for the sake of a freebie, a clear funnel that nurtures your audience, and collaborations, my friend. Quickest way for growth. Bundles, summits, challenges. You get it. You don't need to hustle harder. You need to set up the right systems and partnerships that bring in the people while you focus on serving. Did you hear that? You need to set up the right systems and partnerships. Systems and people. That's how you grow a community. You don't have to do it all, love. You don't have to chase every trend or exhaust yourself trying to keep up. When you focus on building your list with the right strategies, you create freedom, momentum, and peace in your business. If this is resonating with you and you know you're ready to stop depending on social media and finally build your list with strategies that actually work, I'd love to invite you into the Monetizing Mompreneurs Society. Inside, you'll get step-by-step templates, live Q&As, monthly coaching calls, and a community of mompreneurs building alongside you. It's where we take the overwhelm out and focus on what moves the needle, growing your list and creating collaborations that actually lead to real growth. You can join us today at lindamendible.com/MMSociety. I'd love to see you inside. Thank you so much for tuning in today's episode of Monetizing Mompreneurs. If this episode encouraged you, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with another mompreneur who needs to hear it. Remember, it's possible. Your business can grow in a way that feels aligned and sustainable, and it starts with building your list the right way. See you in the next episode.